Everyone is happy to visit Jamaica, and the tourist minister Edmund Bartlett recognized that, and he has now launched T. And what is T? T is the Tourist Entertainment Academy. And this is what we are going to talk about. It seems like this young man should be the Prime Minister. Greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, you know who that is? Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Yeah, bless, no curse. Yeah, bless up Empress Menen. Yeah, Queen Omega. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, say I'm very excited about this topic because it appears that the tourism industry is the only thing that's running properly in Jamaica. Now, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has unveiled a transformative initiative that is designed to elevate Jamaica's culture and tourism, offering a tourist entertainment academy. What a great idea. Now, the artists them need to be incorporated in this, whether it's the up and coming artists or the big entertainers. Now, officials has launched on March 27 at the Artisan Village in Falmouth, Trelawny. T is aimed to reshape the island's tourism landscape by harnessing the power of Jamaica's entertainment. Yes, great idea. The academy, spearheaded by the Tourist Enrichment or Enhancement Fund, the TEF, with the support of Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, Sports, and other key stakeholders, represent $50 million investment in Jamaica's tourist culture. We look at how we could build out capacity, build out our capacity of entertainment and sport in the tourist industry, Bartlett said during a launch ceremony. Entertainment is such a powerful element of the experience and the life of Jamaica, the experience that tourists travel distance to full joy. As Jamaica offers this destination, we would like to incorporate entertainment more often. The initiative aligned with the Ministry of Tourism Blue Ocean Strategy, which seeks to expand culture experience for visitors while creating new opportunities for local talent. The Hybrid Academy is a combined online learning, in-person mentorship, live showcase, and industry integration to prepare artists for global success. Sounds great. This is not just another training initiative. Bartlett stated it is a strategic initiative designed to accomplish 4 clear global professionalization and certify our entertainment and practitioners, delivering high-quality performance, show strong return on investment, and develop national blueprint for entertainment development within the tourism ecosystem. The Academy, while initially focused on reggae, jazz, and comedy, with a pilot program targeting local talent from Montego Bay, Hanover, Westmoreland, the inaugural cohort will include 6 comedians and 19 musicians, an 11-piece reggae band, and an 8-piece member jazz ensemble. Now, Olivia Grains and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sport also expressed her support for the initiative. This is a great idea. This academy will give our musician and comedian the training and the tools they need to sharpen their skills, enhance their professionalism, and most importantly, turn their talent into substantial career, she said. Bartlett indicated that while Montego Bay will serve as an initial testing ground, the program is designed to be scaled across our tourism hub, including Negril, Ochi Rios, and Kingston. T is expected to bridge the gap between Jamaican abundant creative talent and growth demand for the high-quality cultural resort entertainment in the tourist sector. Solidify entertainment as not just features of visitor experience, but a central pillar of Brand Jamaica. Interested participants can submit their application to the official website at https://tef.gov.jm/T. So just type in tef.gov.jm/T/. So just type in tef.gov.jm/T/. I'm going to put the link down in the comments here, people. So this is a great idea. Like I said, I think that Edmund Bartlett should be Bartlett. I'm always saying his name wrong. Edmund Bartlett should be the Prime Minister of Jamaica, because it appears that it's only the tourism industry that has been running properly for years. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Jamaica. It's a great idea. The Tourism Entertainment Academy is a great idea. And I have to give a thumbs up to Edmund. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, give Iron a subscription. Follow me if you're on YouTube, on TikTok at Deep Roots TV. A more life, a more joy, and a more nappiness. You stay blessed.